Alright, welcome back to the channel. What's about to happen is I picked up this little beater, you know, a little gas saver, whatnot, a little daily. It has some little issues on it. It's definitely going to need a new battery. This one's like starting to crank over slow. I don't know. I guess in Texas everybody hits something, so it's mandatory to hit some shit in Texas, I guess. The suspensions are shot front and back, so right now I got the front and back. I'm gonna replace the fronts, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and replace the back. It's a little Nissan Sentra or a little Nissan GTR, but that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, pop these down, jack it up, and replace the whole thing. Also have the tie rod ends, the steering end links, have these lower control arms. So also have these as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all of this while I'm in here, and it'll just be one clean suspension in the front, and I also have the struts for the rear as well. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. So let's get into it. I went and got this little Harbor Freight special right here. She was like 200 bucks. Works really good. And they got these jack stands that have these little lock in here. Still use this as a lock as well, but I have this for extra security, you know. One more thing to break for your Harbor Freight jack stand kills your ass. But yeah, let's pop these wheels off. This was the passenger side. This smash. This shit is blown to smithereens, bruh. Also, the axle over there is messed up. So this axle is screwed, as you can see in there. So I'm gonna wait on the axle for that. But I'm gonna take off all these other parts right here and replace them, and just get that over with. All right, I got this stuff replaced on the car. I just did the front. I got the parts for the back as well, but I didn't do that. And this is what the car turned into. All right, I'm just playing. But here, the car sits a little higher, obviously, because the suspension is not blown anymore. But I still got to replace the rears, but it drives a lot better. It is not knocking and banging anymore. As you can see, it's pretty clean up in there. Still got to wash all the extra dirt and shit that's under there, but the parts are pretty clean. And then this baby, just did the downpipe. I'm going to try to do a try to get the tune on it soon, and hopefully be doing some pulls real quick. Throw away the struts already, but look at this. This is why y'all need to do maintenance on the car. Like, see that? This right here, this is why, like, it was making noise. That's out. This is out. And that one's out. All of them was like all messed up.